Lesson 3: Plant Growth, Reproduction, and Crop Protection. Let us explore how plants grow and reproduce. Plant growth relies on several core biological processes. Osmosis in plant roots is the net movement of water across a selectively permeable membrane from high to low water potential. Once inside, water and minerals move upward. Transpiration is the loss of water from the plant mainly through its stomata, which helps pull this water upward and cools the plant. Most importantly, photosynthesis is significant because it converts light energy into chemical energy in carbohydrates, using carbon dioxide and water to fuel plant growth. When it comes to reproduction, plants use different strategies. For instance, maize flowers are typically pollinated by wind. Alternatively, some plants reproduce asexually. For example, the Irish potato or yam can be propagated from stem tubers. When farmers plant seeds, they rely on seed viability, which is the seed's ability to germinate and produce a healthy seedling under suitable conditions. Farmers often select a specific cultivar, which is a cultivated plant variety chosen for particular characteristics like yield or drought tolerance. In Namibian production systems, cereal crops are especially important, with a focus on maize, millet, and sorghum. Protecting these crops from pests is essential for food production. Pests damage crops in various ways. For example, aphids are piercing and sucking pests that feed on plant sap. To manage these threats sustainably, farmers use Integrated Pest Management, or IPM. IPM is an ecosystem-based strategy that combines different techniques, like cultural, biological, and mechanical methods for long-term pest prevention, rather than relying solely on continuous pesticide use.